Hello kids! Today we will learn that Abraham put his trust in God and obeyed his commands. Abraham willingly offered his only son, Isaac, to be sacrificed. Now, God also wants us to trust and obey Him, especially during the toughest time. God doesn't want us to put our trust in ourselves, but only trust in Him. Now we're going to sing a song about trusting in the Lord with all our hearts.
My father said, don't forget my teaching, but hold on tight to my commands. For long life and peace they will add to you. Oh, don't let love and kindness leave you. Write them down upon your heart. That God and people will smile on you. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He'll make straight all your paths. Trust in the Lord, trust in Him. My father said, don't be wise in your eyes, fear the Lord and turn from sin, and God will heal you and give you strength. Woo, we need strength. Oh, look to Jesus to be your treasure. He's worth more than jewels and gold. Oh, He's more precious than anything, so much more. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He'll make straight all your paths. Oh, Jesus, you're my confidence. Jesus, you're my hope. You will keep my feet from stumbling. Jesus, you're my confidence. Jesus, you're my hope. You will keep my feet from stumbling. I trust in the Lord with all my heart, and will not lean on my own understanding. No, no, in all my ways I'll acknowledge Him, and He'll make straight all my paths, every single one. I trust in the Lord. Help me to trust You, Lord.
Trust in
Don't have to be fearful, we can trust the Lord. And you know He's bigger than any fear you have. He's good and faithful. I wanna trust You every day in all my ways. Oh, help me, Lord, to trust in You always.